Welcome to our new video on how to optimize power plants or power setting in your laptop to increase its battery backup. And while doing this, first click on Windows icon and then control panel, and now you are in control panel of your computer settings. Here you can change the view by from category to large icons to easily search power options. And power options are here. Click on it, and in power options there are different plans for power consumption management of your laptop, and there are two inbuilt plans. First one is balanced and another one is power saver. Most of the laptop, the balanced power plan is active. Balance means a balance between performance and energy consumption of the laptop. And in power saver, the computer more focus on saving energy rather than performance. So there may be some reduction in computer performance, and you should activate this plan to save energy consumption of your laptop. And you can further optimize this power share plan to save more energy. And to change this, or you can say optimize this power share plan, click on change plan settings against this power saver. And here are two most common settings for power saver plan. First one is turn off the display. By default it is 5 minutes, means the display is turned off after 5 minutes of inactivity. And there is another setting, put the computer to sleep. By default it is 15 minutes, means after 15 minutes of inactivity of your mouse the computer is set to sleep. You can reduce both of these time to reduce, or you can say increase the battery backup of your laptop. You can reduce turning off the display to 2 minutes, and you can do the same for the next option. This is quite handy if you use the laptop intermittently. Here are advanced power settings for this power plan, and there is another option here, restore default settings for this plan. So if something goes wrong with advanced power settings or these two settings, then you can restore default settings for this plan. So let's first change the advanced power settings. The advanced settings of this power plan, that is power saver, you can see here the power saver plan is active. Here you can see settings for different hardware of your laptop, so you can change some of these to further increase power saving. And in these options, first you can change the hard disk turning off time. By default it is 20 minutes. You can reduce this time to turn off hard disk. Turning off hard disk reduce the power consumption of laptop. Hard disk consume about 5 watt power from your laptop, so you can reduce it to 10 minutes or 5 minutes to further stop it and reducing power consumption. You might see some lag by changing the turning off hard disk time to 10 minutes while accessing some files from your hard disk. So keep it is 10 minutes, which is I think best for saving power option. Reducing it to further, or you can 5 minutes. There are frequent lag in accessing file on your hard disk. After hard disk, there is another setting, that is desktop background settings, and in this setting there is slideshow option, and you can disable or set it to paused to reduce power consumption. And there is another setting, that is wireless adapter settings, and in this setting there is power saving mode. Setting of this, the default setting is maximum performance. You can click on it to change it to maximum power saving option. Maximum power saving options put the wireless adapter to power saving mode, so the battery backup is more. Here is another setting, that is for sleep, and you do not need to change this setting because you already changed this setting to in the here the put the computer to sleep to 2 minutes, so you do not need to change this to in this window. And another setting in this power option is USB settings, and here it is enable means the USB suspension setting is enabled by default. If it is disabled, so you should enable it to increase power saving. And there is another setting, power buttons. You do not need to change these options because these options doesn't affect the power consumption of your laptop. There is another setting, that is PCI Express. Here I think there is some scope of power savings, and it is already set to maximum power savings, so you do not need to change it. If it is not, it is set to off or moderate power saving, you can set it to maximum power saving. So next, processor power management. You do not need to change this setting because you might see some poor performance of your processor in your laptop, so you might see some lags while using laptop. And last setting is display, and in this display settings there is nothing more. You do not need to change it here, you can change it to here, turning off the display after 2 minutes. And if something goes wrong, you can restore the plan defaults by checking this option. But to further optimize this power save plan, we have changed some of the settings here. We should apply it to this power saver plan. Click on apply and click on OK. Now the power saver plan is optimized for maximum power saving settings. Click on save changes to apply the power save plan to your laptop power settings. You should check the box against power saver. Now your laptop is set to maximum power saving. This is how you can change the power setting options in simple mode as well as advanced mode to save more power. Here it is, create a power plan. So except these two power plans, you can create another power plans that suit your requirements, and you can put the settings which I already told you in power plan into a new power plan. So if you need to frequently change the power plan settings, so you can do that by creating a new power plan for your laptop. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, then please comment below. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.